How much is a 55-inch Vizio Smart TV? A 55-inch Vizio Smart TV is a mid-range television offering 4K resolution, HDR support, and smart features at an affordable price. Prices typically range from $300 to $700, depending on the model, display technology, and extra features. 1. Price range of 55-inch Vizio Smart TVs. Basic 4K UHD models, $300 to $400. Mid-range models with Dolby Vision HDR, $400 to $550. Premium models with Quantum Dot and 120Hz refresh rate, $550 to $600, $700. Discounted price during sales, as low as $250 to $500, depending on the model. 2. Features of a 55-inch Vizio Smart TV. 4K Ultra HD resolution for crisp and detailed visuals. Vizio SmartCast platform for streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. HDR support, HDR10, Dolby Vision, HLG, for enhanced brightness and contrast. Multiple HDMI ports for gaming consoles, soundbars, and streaming devices. Some models include AMD, FreeSync, and 120Hz for smooth gaming. 3. Where to buy a 55-inch Vizio Smart TV. Retail stores, Walmart, Best Buy, Target, and other electronics stores. Online platforms, Amazon, Vizio's official website, and other e-commerce sites. Seasonal sales, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and holiday deals offer major discounts. 4th, factors affecting price. Model type, Quantum Dot and full array backlighting models cost more. Refresh rate, TVs with 120Hz refresh rate are more expensive than 60Hz models. Extra features, TVs with voice control, Bluetooth, or gaming optimization cost more. 5. Is a 55-inch Vizio Smart TV worth it? Ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want a large-screen 4K TV with smart features. Great for streaming, casual gaming, and everyday entertainment. Not as premium as OLED or high-end QLED TVs, but offers solid performance for the price. 6. Alternatives to a 55-inch Vizio Smart TV. If considering other brands in the same size and price range, options include TCL 55-inch Roku TV. Budget-friendly with a simple smart interface. Samsung 55-inch Crystal UHD TV. Slightly higher price but better motion handling. LG 55-inch 4K UHD TV. Web OS smart platform with good picture quality. A 55-inch Vizio. Smart TV costs between $300 and $700, making it a budget-friendly 4K TV with HDR support, SmartCast features, and good picture quality. It's a solid choice for home entertainment and streaming.